Hey, all my meataholics out there. It's Jeremy from Big Polar Jar Barbecue. Today, I'm going to do a sauce that I like to put on steaks. I already did a ribeye video. Ribeyes were on sale again. Of course, they're my favorite. And I have a sauce I like to make. It can go on tenderloins, sirloins, whatever you want. And let me show you some ingredients. This is all you're going to need for the ingredients to make this sauce. Any kind of bourbon, a little bit of beef stock, half and half. You can use heavy cream too, some butter, and some shallots, if you can see those. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I washed the steaks off and I patted them dry. I want to season with some garlic powder, some seasoned salt, and some cracked black pepper. Sometimes I do this in the sink because it's easy to clean up. If not, use a baking tray, because when you're putting these spices and seasonings on everything, it gets all over the place. It just makes very easy cleanup. So let's start with the seasoned salt. A generous layer on everything, pretty much. I'll do one side and you get the drift. Then some garlic powder. Some cracked black pepper. Once I do this, I'm going to do the other side and put them in some plastic bags. You can get 1 2-gallon or 2 1-gallon bags and I got 6 of them, so I'm going to do 3 and 3, and I'm going to pop them in the ice box for about 3-4 hours and let them sit. And I want to start to make the sauce. And I will get the grill ready and throw them on the grill. Alright folks, so I got the pan heated up. I'm gonna put in some butter. And we're gonna throw in some shallots. Right before the shallots go translucent, we're going to add some beef stock in. Give it some flavor. Not a lot, just enough to kind of cover the bottom. We're going to add a lot of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Add the bourbon. We're gonna just work the bottom pan a little bit, make sure all those flavors work around in the bourbon itself. And we're going to turn the heat down and let it thicken up a little bit. Now, since I got it to reduce and I can see all the flavors of peppers and everything mixing in pretty well, we're going to add your half and half or your heavy cream and a generous amount. Alright folks, the reduction cream sauce is done. You can see how it turned a darker beige. And let's just give it a little taste. Yep, it's ready to go. Has some nice salt to it. You can taste the bourbon coming through. Very creamy, and the shallots in it. I'm going to get the steaks done. And we'll just dress it with this sauce. And if you ever been in a New York City steakhouse, that's what this smells like right now. It is great. Alright folks, I got the steaks on that grill. They're almost done. And next thing we'll be topping them with the bourbon cream reduction sauce. Alright there. I just got the steaks off the grill. They're still hot. I put the sauce on them. It smells great. And it's about time to dig in. So I hope you like my video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you next time. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.